paper number 3, determining bias. Paper number 3 is going to be have to do with determining bias. So your objective to do for that paper is to fairly summarize, critically analyze, and then finally to offer a rebuttal or counter argument. In essence, to engage in college level thinking. Your process for that task is to pick one of several critical articles and then review the article you chose. You'll begin by stating fairly and accurately exactly what the article's main points are. After your fair and accurate review, you'll then offer your own analysis as to where you detect any sort of bias within the article. Finally, after you point out the bias you find within the article you chose, you'll then offer a rebuttal or counter argument to the main points of that particular article. As far as a possible paper outline, you do not have to follow this, but you can if you need to. First thing you do is the introduction, state the article that you picked and then who wrote it. Then this is what the article said, summarize the main points of it. Then this is why the article is biased. You point out the bias within the main points. Then you're going to offer an alternative way of thinking. What this would be is the counter argument to the main points of the article. Then finally, for your conclusion, restate, except with a different choice of words, the thesis of the article that you reviewed. Then restate, except with a different choice of words, exactly why it is biased. And then restate, except with a different choice of words, the thesis of your counter argument. Remember, however, whenever you restate anything in conclusion, you must above all be concise. So the articles that you can choose to respond to, the first one would be by someone named Dudley Erskine Devlin, titled Teaching Tolerance in America. You can also choose Kenneth Warren and Samir Santi's Nobody Should Have to Pay to Go to College. You could also do it on Bob Lutke's Why Free College is a Bad Idea. And then Casey Kavanaugh's Why We Still Need Feminism. For your format, it's the standard that you've been using in your other papers. This paper is worth 20 points, and don't forget there's 2 points for the primer.